Hello everyone. I had discussed the role of producer, writers and the creative department. Today in this episode, I will be discussing about direction department and production department. Let's begin. Directors are rightly called as the captain of the television show. They convert the vision of the script on screen with their technical expertise and bring in aesthetics and poignant moments on the show. They maintain rapport with the creative team and the channel. They give direction to the cast and crew. They try to create magical moments of the episode using drama, emphasize on the narrative of the story. Lot of importance is given by the directors for the introduction of main leads and the supporting cast as well as for important high points of the story. Direction department is made up of directors, chief assistant director and assistant directors. Generally, in a fictional format of a television show, there are 2 or 3 unit directors so that episodes can be shot quickly and bank of episodes can be created. Chief AD or chief assistant director is the right hand person of the director. He informs the director about sequences and scenes. He coordinates, manages division of work between first AD, second AD and other assistant directors. Chief AD is well involved, understands the nuances of the scenes as he is constantly with the director. He also guides the editor at the edit to gather important shots from rushes and gives information about director's vision. Assistant directors also have an important role to play. They do shot division, keep a track of dress continuity, makeup continuity. They keep a watch on new requirements, new locations as per the demand of the script and update the production team. The assistant directors give scene requirements to the production manager one day before the shoot. For example, if there is a scene of a family having dinner together, direction team will give specific requirements of the type of the food needed on the dining table for the scene. Whenever there are huge sequences of marriage, party, promo shoot, climax sequences, the creative team, direction team, art department, producer brainstorm well in advance so that it looks larger than life and magnanimous on screen. Now let's look at the role of production department. Production department is the backbone of any production house. They deal with organizational and logistical aspects of the production so that everything runs smoothly, on time and on budget. The department meets the needs of crew members and provides essentials, equipments that are required on the set. The department is made up of head of production, line producer, production manager, executive producer and scheduler. Head of production is also called as production controller. He has a supervisory role to play. He aids the producer by his visionary thinking and keeps finances under budgetary control. Let's look at the role of a line producer. Line producer works like a chief operating officer. During pre-production, a line producer supervises, recruits key personnel, services, plans logistics of the television show, monitors the budget, scouts for location, finalizes studio sets, camera lighting, transportation, accommodation, travel, tourism, immigration, hires local skilled people if shooting abroad. Now let's look at the role of production manager. A production manager works closely with the producer and the line producer. He creates working budget for personnel, equipment location. He coordinates for cast and crew. He looks into getting permits for shoots on locations. He prepares production report. He develops working relationship with equipment suppliers, lighting, art department, dress, hairdresser and makeup. He ensures all requirements of direction, creative department are met on day-to-day basis. He also looks into the requirement of junior artists. Now let's look at the role of executive producer. Executive producer looks into timely completion of shoot as designed by the schedule. He supervises the production on set. He is responsible for day-to-day shooting and logistics. The role of executive producer abroad is a bit different. He is the person who is the creator and the chief writer. He is also the person who has helped in getting the show made. Now let's look at the role of scheduler. Scheduler is a part of the production team. He actually designs the shooting schedule every day. He is always in touch with the direction department so that he can plan well in advance. Now, I would like to end the episode with Albert Einstein's quote, "Try not to become a man of success, but rather try to become a man of value." Stay safe, stay blessed. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe to it. Thank you very much.